Hey guys, welcome back to another one of our hotel review videos. This time we're going to be reviewing the JW Marriott in Muscat. So this is the room type that we stayed in with some information about it. We actually stayed here in January of 2024, right after grand reopening, after being closed for over a year due to renovations. Unfortunately, we weren't able to cover the whole entire property, but hopefully the footage that we do have is enough information. Here is the main room. We got 2 double beds because we have 3 guests. And here against this wall, we have 2 closets and then a cabinet with the fridge. So if we open one of them, it comes with the standard safe, some cubbies, an ironing board, iron, hair dryer, and then space up top. Here you have your little coffee station and snacks. So you'll find some water bottles, some nuts, your teas, some glasses, wine glasses, Illy coffee machine, the refreshment card. In the drawer you have your teacups.
And the rest is just storage.
And the rest underneath is just storage. And here you have your fridge. In the fridge you have your beers, soda, juices, and I'm assuming those are chocolate. Nice. Okay. And then in this closet we have a robe and your hangers, laundry bag if you need to do laundry. Back there is the laundry holder, but obviously
The luggage holder.
yeah, sorry, luggage holder, but we have all of our bags in here, but you get the gist of it.
And
Slippers there, robe, and more space up top.
Quite a bit of storage.
Yeah, and you know, for those who like to pray, the direction. And then over here we've got your TV. It's pretty spacious. It may not look like it on camera, but it's pretty good. It's pretty big.
So now you got all the plugs.
And then here you got controls to control the lights and the ambiance. And for your lights, so you have privacy, bedside, reading, master, night, and ceiling. And then here you got your plugs. You got a universal one, and then you have a USB plug. Oh, nice. And it comes with an alarm clock with the NFC charger. Oh, that's perfect. And then you have the same exact thing on the other side for the other bed. So there's the plug. There's a plug, TV remote, telephone. What's in the drawer? Nice.
A flashlight.
A flashlight. Don't know what you need one for, but.
In case the lights go out.
And then here you got the couch, a single one separated by a table with snacks. Complimentary. That's cute.
That's icy. I thought it was olive oil.
Oh, it's AC. Nice. And then you got the rest of the couch. And that is it for the room. This is the bathroom. Got the sink, toiletries, a little tray holder, towels on the side, the glasses. Underneath you got your more towels, scale, and then your own little personal mirror. Then over here we have the toilet. And it comes with the bidet. And here you have the shower. Nice rainfall shower with the handheld attachment. Got the bathtub with the view. And then here are the shampoos, the conditioner, and the body cleanser. Some more towels. And then you have your robe on the back of the door.
So they did the turn down service and left us this cute little chocolate. Sweet. And the slippers, yes.
This is the front. You pull up. We're walking back into the main lobby. This is the Terrace. Got your umbrellas.
Oh, maybe at nighttime we could just walk around. That looks pretty, right?
So there's actually quite a few restaurants that they have here at the hotel, but we were only able to eat at Kitchen 7 for lunch. Yes, I know, as foodies, we suck. Sorry, guys. Complimentary drinks, because supposedly we missed breakfast.
Very good.
Very good.
Let me try them. This is beetroot and something.
Also good.
Breakfast, lunch that we had, total with the 3 meals, no appetizers, no desserts, no drinks besides water. What with tip and gratuity and all of that was about 27 real, so almost like $70, which is kind of expensive, but it was really good, so it's fine. Also, we're at the JW, so it's kind of expected to have these types of prices. But yeah, we're about to get some coffee. We just ordered. My mom got a vanilla latte, and I got an iced caramel latte. We got some coffee. Like I said, I got the iced caramel latte with almond milk, and my mom got a vanilla latte. And I haven't tried mine yet, but this is really good. So let me try mine. It's really good. I haven't had oat milk like this before.
It's almond milk.
Oh, sorry, almond milk, no booty. Desserts.
Like any other JW Marriott property, the service is phenomenal and staff is very friendly and helpful. One thing that definitely made my stay much more exceptional is the concierge service. For those who have never bothered to use a concierge, I highly advise using it, especially if you need any assistance planning your vacation. For example, I never would have found out that to visit Jabal Akhtar, it is required to have an all-wheel drive vehicle due to a police checkpoint at the base. I also never would have known about Wadi Bani Khalid if it weren't for the concierge. And to be honest, it was one of the highlights of our trip. Another benefit is that this is one of the closest Marriott properties to the Muscat International Airport. One of the most popular taxi services in Oman is Otaxi. The prices aren't exactly cheap, but the hotel did provide shuttle service to the airport for only 8 Rial, which is half of what Otaxi was charging. Overall, we enjoyed the JW Marriott Muscat, and would definitely recommend it to anyone who is into the Marriott property ecosystem.